Hey, I'm Daniel and welcome to my channel, and today I show you my most favorite hostel here from Melbourne, the home at the Mansion. If we like a place has a lot to do with our own experience. You can be in the most incredible place in the world, but if you feel lonely, lost, or you got something stolen, you will remember those feelings in the future. Obviously, a hostel can do a couple of things to make your stay more memorable, but the number one reason that I discovered over the last 4 years of traveling is the people you meet. I stayed in this hostel more than 2 months, and the friendships I formed will stay for the rest of my life. So this video is for all the incredible people that I met here in Melbourne at the home at the Mansions. The number one reason why I choose this place is its great location. You can find the home at the Mansions on 80 Victoria Parade. This is on the northeast side of the city centre. So you're literally in the heart of Melbourne. But if you don't want to walk at all, you can just catch one of the many trams who are completely free inside of the city centre. Another cool reason is it looks like a castle. It was built in 1901 by the Salvation Army, and it belongs to one of the oldest buildings in Melbourne. After a huge fire in 1980 and the restoration, the building was split into 3 parts. There are some medical suites, there's a car park, and the International Backpacker Hostel that opened in 2010. When you enter the building, you will be welcomed at the reception, and from there you will find 96 beds in 16 rooms spread over 3 floors. What stands out to me are the private bathrooms on the top floor. In the most hostels you have a shared shower and a shared bathroom, which is not a bad thing, but if you can get this privacy, that is luxury poor. When I choose a hostel, I always check if there's a kitchen, a laundry, and lockers. If you want more tips about hostels, check out my other video about 10 tips how to pick a good hostel. On the bottom floor you will find a kitchen, the laundry, the dryer, 2 common areas, and a big dining table where you always find other backpackers and travelers where you can connect. Oh yeah, and by the way, they also have a guitar. I was known for the guy who was always playing the guitar in the middle of the night. What makes this place even better is the bar and cafe Victoria's Secret, which is literally part of this building, and you get 20% off of everything when you stay here in the hostel. In addition to that, they also have like an event every day. It's a perfect opportunity for you to connect with other travelers. If you have any question, you can always go to the staff, they will help you out. And obviously, I wouldn't make this video if I'm not even became friends with some of the staff. They are just amazing. But by the way, if you are here on a working holiday visa, you can go to the reception and ask if they maybe even have a job for you in the cafe, in the restaurant, or in the hostel. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I would say check out this video here. This is about 10 tips how you get a good hostel.